Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of CEX IO account safely. CEX IO is a crypto trading platform where your account security is very important. Logging out of safely ensures that no one else can access your wallet, trading history, or the personal data, especially if you are using a shared PC. First, you need to open any of the web browser you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down cex.io and enter it, and make sure you are logged into the account already. And once you get into this interface of your CEX.io, you need to look at the top right corner of your profile here. Then click onto your profile, and over here what you can do is we can find there's an option for the logout here. You need to click onto this logout, and this immediately ends your session on that browser. And some session may ask for the confirmation, and you may click yes or confirm, and that is it. This is how you can log out of the CEX.io account safely. Logging out of CEX.io safely is very simple, and this ensures your crypto account stays fully secure and protected. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.